Hi everyone, we're gonna cut open this D-size 1.5 volt battery today to see what's inside of it. And you can see this is a Sony alkaline battery. It's a very typical, very normal battery. There's nothing special about it. It's not rechargeable. And we're gonna cut open to see what's inside. Okay, let's get it started. Ooh. It's not good. It's not gonna cut open. Let's use the vise. Hold the battery in place and then try again. Wow, this is all squeezy. Battery. Wow, soft, squeezy like material.